A long time ago in a home far, far away, I really loved my action figures. I threw them in a dumpster. Now I'm collecting them in 6-inch. This is my journey. Me so happy to have Bib Fortuna. He looks like he could be a second cousin to a large jellyfish. Thank you for watching.
Okay, now that we have him out of the package, let's look at some of the things he comes with, which is kind of not that big a deal to me. Yeah, I guess there's some cups. I don't see, I guess unless you have a real cantina, at Mosley Cantina, whatever you want to call it. I guess these are good for later, but let's put them on the bar so if they stay. So the ghost of Anakin can serve some drinks up here in my makeshift cantina. These are okay, I guess. I don't know, man. I think it got a little cheap when it came to this. He should have came with something else. Maybe, I don't know, something. I'm not sure what he could come with. I don't even know. Maybe some chains or something or the Princess Leia in the slave outfit. Maybe you buy him and get the chains or something. But these cups, I mean, this one's okay. It's not bad. I just don't. I think they kind of cheaped out on the cups. I don't understand the cups because he was never part of the cantina, like the bar. So I don't know. Now, I don't know. I mean, if these guys came with the cups in the bar, I could get it. I can understand it, but I don't understand that one. Okay. Anyway, so this is really cool. I'm glad to have this one here in my collection. And I have a small collection going on that I want to, as you don't know, if you don't follow the channel, I'm trying to do some of my favorite characters from the 4, 5, and 6, the first 3 movies, the 70s Star Wars that I had as a kid. And I'm trying to get those in 6-inch. I don't want to really go back to the 3 1/4 inch. I just want to go with the 6-inch because I don't know. I just want to change it up, get the bigger stuff. It looked really good. I mean, he looks organic with his head. Really cool. He's a must-have, especially from Return of the Jedi. One of the best characters I think from Return of the Jedi. And I did see a couple people say way back in the day when I was looking at this stuff like a long time ago that they're not really happy with I prefer the hard goods or the hard goods when it comes to the figure. Like I still think it's a great figure, even with it not having soft goods like the Sand People or this right here. You say what? Well, Rito had too much to drink. Like here, I guess with something like this would be kind of cool, but I kind of like this because it looks more like a mini statue. That's what I think. I think it looks really cool like this. I'm not going to go into all the articulation and all that kind of stuff. I'm just saying this is something. This is another step closer to completing my Star Wars Black Series 6-inch when it comes to the ones I had as a kid. So that's all this video is for, and I appreciate people watching the video because I know this I'm not going to review it because there's been so many good reviews on YouTube and I'm way past the time of doing a review on anything, but I'm happy with it. He looks more like, he reminded me of when I got him out of the box and tried to stand him up. He had no problem standing up. He has no problem standing up. Let's move this down a little bit. He had no problems at all standing up, but I tell you, he's almost like a nun. You know what I mean? It's weird, but I do love the colors in his head. He looks like a jellyfish, but second cousin to a jellyfish. It's a must-have. It's a great sculpt. One of the better sculpts, I think, as well. So we're going to compare him to some of the ones I already picked up. And if you got it, you got to have Lando, man. You got to have Lando. I don't understand how this costume did not come. I don't how did not Billy D. Williams, Lando Calrissian, not in this particular suit, not become infamous, just overwhelming wanted. It's just he's a pig warmer when it comes to Lando itself, but man, I gotta have him. I don't know. I love this suit. I love this suit, man. I love that suit. But here's some comparisons. Really cool. I love the New Hope figures, man. I love the New Hope figures, man. This is great. Gotta have one of the bounty hunters hanging out. I love that. That's really cool. He goes, he doesn't like you. Luke says, I'll be careful. He says, you'll be dead. That's badass right there. Anyway, I'm getting it complete. I'm getting there. It's going to, it's not, I don't want all the Black Series stuff. I just want the important ones that I've had. But outside of that, you got to have Bib, man. Look at Bib. Look at him. Is that cool or what? That right there. That's badass right there. Anyway, I want to make it quick and don't want to drag it on. I appreciate you guys watching. And I'll see you on the next one.